Hey beautiful, I am so excited for you to try our Epic 4D mascara. I wanted to create just a really quick video to give you some tips and tricks because since it is a fiber mascara, it is different than your regular mascara that doesn't have any fibers in it. So I wanted to give you some tips, show you what I do, but definitely play with it and find what works best for you. So fiber mascara, Amy, what in the world does that mean? Well, what that means is that there are little fibers inside the gel, and those fibers is what makes our lashes look like they have more volume, they look more lengthened, and it gives you that falsy, dramatic look without the false eyelashes. So let's get started. All right, so when I do my mascara, this is a brand new tube, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. When you pull it out, you want to pull out super slow, and let me tell you why. This is literally the best wand ever. It picks up so much product, and it just creates so much volume. So when you pull it out, you're gonna get a lot of product on this, and you don't need that much. So here is what I do. I pull it out super slow. That helps it gets back into the tube, so all of it doesn't come out on the brush. But if there's still too much, super gently, like barely touching, I push it back into the tube so I don't have a ton on my brush. I only have to do this the first couple times I use it. As I use it more, it doesn't pick up as much, but it's a great tip if it's too much to start, okay? So less is more in this situation. All right, so now let's apply. The wand actually has two sides. It has short bristles and it has long bristles. So when you put it on, you want to actually twist it, and that makes sure all of the fibers and all of the gel get on your lashes. I know it sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. It's super cool. All right, so here's what I do. I'm gonna use my mirror, okay? You wanna start at the base, and I just gently pull it up, okay? Now, when you put it on, you might see some people say to like wiggle and twist. Instead of wiggling, I actually blink. And that is gonna lengthen my lashes. Okay? So blink and pull. Blink and pull. Blink and pull. My mirror is getting foggy. Blink and pull. And then when I get on the outside here, I just kind of gently brush. Gently brush. Now, I talked to you about that twist. As I'm pulling, at the very tip top, I twist. At the very tip top, I twist. And what happens is that those fibers that are on your wand adhere to your ends. Now I'm gonna jump to my other side, but I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Little tip. Don't put it back in the tube. Everything you need is right here. Now you can stop there if you want, but if you want a little more volume, a little more drama, a little more length, what you can do is put your wand back in the tube, gently pull it out, and you're going to brush off that extra if you want. And then when you go to put your second coat on, don't go to the base. Start mid-lash to tip and twist it, okay? Mid-lash to tip and twist. Twist, twist, twist. Let's do the other side. Twist, 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 twist. Just like that. Okay, so I know it seems like a lot. It takes a little patience because it is different than your regular mascara, but you guys, it is so worth it. The volume, the length, and as you keep doing it and you find what works best for you, it's the only mascara you're ever gonna use, I swear, because you go fast, 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 okay? Stick with it. Let me know if you have any questions. I cannot wait to hear what you think.